Hello, my name is Selena. I have been staying home while the coronavirus is happening. You have been staying home too.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Today, I'm going to tell you what I've been doing at home using signs and pictures to help me. During the video, you will have time to make the sign, or you can ask your carer to make the sign and tell them if they're right or not. While I've been home, I've been washing my hands lots. Can you show me how you have been washing your hands?
Wash hands. Wash hands. Wash hands.
While I've been home, I've been doing lots of things I like.
Home. Home. Home.
I planted some flowers in my garden.
Garden. Garden. Garden.
I like to go out and see my flowers and trees in the sunshine. Orange sunflowers are my favourite.
Flowers. Flowers. Flowers.
I baked some cakes and biscuits.
Cake. Cake. Cake.
I baked some yummy chocolate cakes and I ate them. Do you eat any cakes? Did you bake any cakes?
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Let's go over some of the signs we learned today. Home. Coronavirus. Wash hands. Garden. Flowers. Baked. Chocolate cake. We're finished the video for now. Thank you for listening.